Wow, look at the amazing place of Gurage. What do you feel when you look at this beautiful nature? Do you see the children gathered together to watch over the animals and play?
Bazira